Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. In today's video we'll be working on a Ford Edge here, first generation guys. So if you're trying to find the fuse for the radiator fan, the cooling fan guys, stay with us and we'll explain where it's located. Some vehicles will come with two fuses, some will come with one. We'll explain why guys, so stay with us, we'll cover everything from start to finish. Quick introduction guys, every single car we get at the shop, including this generation the Ford Edge guys, we were intending to make at least 200 videos. Why guys? Because our mission here at the shop is to save you guys as much money as we can. So please guys, subscribe to the channel, like the video, and hopefully you will find the information helpful. If you guys need to buy any replacement parts, fuses, tools for a really good price and save even more money, check out the link in the description of the video below. So I'll show you in a second. Let me just open the hood first. Okay, let me open the hood here first and we'll show you guys where that fuse is located and what needs to be done. So this fuse guys, okay, it's actually the fuse for the radiator fan is right here under the hood, the fuse box compartment guys, because you have one inside as well. Now this is the radiator fan, okay, right there. You can see this is the radiator fan there. Hard to get to, hard to replace. We have a video on the channel guys how to replace one if you need to check it out. But where is guys the fuse for that fan? Some cars will have one, some cars will have two fuses. Why? Okay, simply guys, because it depends whether you have the towing package or you don't have the towing package. It really depends. So what we're going to do now, okay, we'll just go ahead and open the fuse box. Right here, press in, pull up, and now I'm going to just remove the cover so I can show you a little bit better. The fuses that we're looking at now guys, check out the layout of the fuse box right here. Will correspond to the fuses, okay, over here. So pretty simple guys. What we need to check now, okay, we need to check guys, check it out now. We have fuse number 5. This is a radiator fan fuse guys, okay, right here fuse number 5. And fuse number 6, you will have that only if you have the towing package. Now this is fuse number 5 guys. This right here is fuse number 5. This is fuse number 6. If you have the towing package, you will have two fuses 40 amps each, at least for 2009 model. If you do not have the towing package, you have only one fuse and it will be 60 amp. So this fuse guys, grab it, pull it out. You can see just like that. This is a J case fuse. We'll have the link in the description of the video below to see where you can get one from. When you're ready guys to install it, all we have to do, just grab it and push it in guys. And later also, do not forget guys to install your cover, because if you forget to install your cover, what will happen, okay, all that does guys, that is here, is going to end up in the fuse box and you can end up needing a fuse box replacement. So don't do that guys. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.